Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for all you travel enthusiasts out there, the ultimate guide to traveling like a local in Europe. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first trip, these tips are sure to make your European adventure truly authentic. Explore off-the-beaten-path destinations. Skip the tourist hotspots and venture into the lesser-known towns and neighborhoods. Immerse yourself in the local culture. Try a traditional meal at a family-run restaurant, or even join a local festival. This is where the real charm of Europe lies. Ditch the guided tours and embrace public transportation. Hop on a local bus, tram or train, and witness the everyday life of Europeans. Not only will this save you money, but it will also give you a chance to interact with locals, who can often provide valuable insights and hidden gems. Shop at local markets. Whether it's a bustling street market or a cozy village bazaar, these markets offer a treasure trove of unique gifts, fresh produce, and homemade delicacies. Support the local economy and discover authentic flavors and craftsmanship. Learn a few key phrases in the local language. Although many Europeans speak English, making an effort to communicate in their language can go a long way. From ordering coffee to asking for directions, locals will appreciate your willingness to embrace their culture. Embrace slow travel. Instead of rushing from one city to another, take your time to truly experience each destination. Stroll through picturesque streets, sit in a charming cafe, and simply soak in the atmosphere. Slow travel allows you to create lasting memories and forge deeper connections. So, there you have it, our insider's guide to authentic European travel. We hope these tips will inspire you to explore Europe like a local. Remember to hit that subscribe button and join us for more travel insights. Thanks for watching.